दुनिया के किसी भी नेता ने भारत के ऑपरेशन रोकने के लिए नहीं कहा.
On Saturday, my administration helped broker a full and immediate ceasefire, I think a permanent one, between India and Pakistan. I said, come on, we're going to do a lot of trade with you guys. Let's stop it. Let's stop it. My administration successfully brokered a historic ceasefire to stop the escalating violence between India and Pakistan. It was a very important process. We got involved with India and Pakistan. I think convinced them to let's have peace and let's go and make trade deals. And we talked to them about trade. Let's do trade instead of do war. Pakistan was very happy with that, and India was very happy with that. I'm using trade to settle scores and to make peace. But I stopped that war. That was going to be a nuclear war, I think, or close. We settled that whole thing, and I think I settled it through trade. We're doing a big deal with Pakistan. We stopped India and Pakistan from fighting. I believe that could have turned out into a nuclear disaster. We're dealing with India, we're dealing with Pakistan, and we were able to stop potentially a nuclear war through trade. You know, I'm very proud of the fact that with India and Pakistan, I was able to stop that. We solved a big problem, a nuclear problem, potentially with India and with Pakistan. We did a job with India and Pakistan, and a very, very big one was India and Pakistan. And we stopped that over trade. Well, I stopped a war between Pakistan. I love Pakistan. I stopped a war between two major nations, major nuclear nations. The big one is India and Pakistan. India and Pakistan. This is, they have nuclear weapons. I ended that with a series of phone calls on trade. India and Pakistan. I said, you guys are going to fight, we're not going to trade. And we seem to be quite successful in doing that. We've been very successful in settling wars. You have India, Pakistan. We did that through trade. At India, Pakistan, that was going. In fact, planes were being shot out of there. Four or five, but I think 5 jets were shot down actually. And India and Pakistan were going at it. We got it solved through trade. I've settled with India and Pakistan and 2 nuclear nations. That was a very big one. But leaders of Pakistan and India, I know very well. And you know, they're in the midst of a trade deal, and yet they're talking about nuclear weapons. I'm not doing a trade deal with you if you're going to have war. They're my friends, and you know, they ended the war with Pakistan at my request, and it was great. And Pakistan did also. A lot of great settlements, including the recent one, as you know.
9 तारीख को रात को अमेरिका के उपराष्ट्रपति जी ने मुझसे बात करने का प्रयास किया. तो अमेरिका के उपराष्ट्रपति जी ने मुझे फोन पे बताया कि पाकिस्तान बहुत बड़ा हमला करने वाला है. मेरा जो जवाब था, अगर पाकिस्तान का ये इरादा है तो उसे बहुत महंगा पड़ेगा.
Pakistan claims it has shot down 5 Indian fighter jets and will retaliate further following yesterday's attack from India.
In retaliation, Pakistan claims to have shot down 5 Indian aircraft.
French intelligence has already told us that a state-of-the-art Rafale fighter jet made in France and operated by the Indian Air Force was downed.
The downing of the Rafale jets, these are the French-made fighter jets. Pakistan should take pride in the fact that they were able to shoot them down.
While the official narrative denied aircraft losses, satellite imagery, international intelligence leaks, and even our own defense attache's seminar notes reveal the truth. We lost 3 Rafales, 1 Sukhoi 30 MKI, and 1 MiG-29.
अगर पाकिस्तान हमला करेगा तो हम बड़ा हमला कर करके जवाब देंगे.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today on 10th May at the time of Fajr, we have given a strong punch to our coward enemy.
Pakistan says the country has launched a retaliatory military operation against India. Operation Bunian Ul-Marsoos, which translates to a firm wall of lead, is targeting military facilities in India.
We have seen this pattern of strikes in the morning, then retaliatory strikes at night. It is hard to imagine from this moment where I stand that New Delhi won't want to respond.
Pakistan decided to launch a massive retaliation that included fixed-wing aircraft as well as drones and also cyber attacks.
Pakistan responded with a relentless, a massive barrage of missiles and rockets inside India, air bases, weapon storage, and along that disputed line of control in Kashmir against military bases there.
पाकिस्तान ने भारत पर ही हमला करना शुरू कर दिया और आगे मेरा एक वाक्य था, मैंने कहा था हम गोली का जवाब गोले से देंगे।
ये पाकिस्तान की साइड से है, देखिएगा। अब हमें आवाज से ही पता लग जाता है।
और 9 रात में और 10 सुबह हमने पाकिस्तान को सैन्य शक्ति को तहस नहस कर दिया था।
Along the international border and the line of controls, air intrusion and several harassment attacks were also attempted from Srinagar till Nalia at more than 26 locations. Damage was sustained to equipment and personnel at Indian Air Force stations at Udhampur, Pathankot, Adampur and Bhuj. There were also several high-speed missile attacks noticed subsequently after 0140 hours in the night.
भारतीय सशस्त्र बल दोहराते हैं कि वे तनाव वृद्धि नहीं चाहते, बशर्ते पाकिस्तान भी ऐसा ही व्यवहार करे।